Hey guys, it's Garry Dean. So I want to talk about, just real quick before I run into the project for today. I'm rebranding, and as most of you guys know, that I've transitioned from only doing detailing and my product line into a full-blown custom shop, which you see behind me. I am at the point where I want to get this thing expanded upon, and I want to do more. And the new business name is Rapid Ride Rehab. Full-blown custom shop, auto, boat, RV, motorcycle, diversified customizations. That's all you need to know. So whether you've got an auto, a boat, a ski, an RV, motorcycle, doesn't matter. Whether it's an upgrade you're looking to do, if you want to fix something that's just out of place or old, if you'd like to rebuild something, if you need auto body or paint, if you need custom metal fabrication, if you need a trailer rebuilt, if you need a hole in a boat fixed, we do fiberglass repairs, gel coat, bed liners. We build off-road parts. We do suspension, general mechanics, all kinds of good stuff. A lot of my work in the past 3 years has been still the detailing, which I'm not stopping the detailing. So if you want a detail done, same number, 813-846-4406. I'm expanding, I'm rebranding Rapid Ride Rehab. I own rapidriderehab.com. We are currently working on the website, and it should be ready soon. Now, back to the work for the day. This is I think it's a 2023 or 24 Cadillac XT6. She had it's a unique situation. She had a magnet right here, and because of the scrape she got from her garage door, looks like some moisture got underneath the paint. So I'm gonna have to strip all this back. It's this big area right here. I'm gonna have to strip all this back, and then I'm gonna blend this in to the rest, and then re-clear coat basically from this down and from the bumper up. So all of this is going to get re-clear coated. I'm going to remove the dealer installed advertisement right now, because I don't ever like that. I mean, geez, they rape you on everything they can, then they want to use you for their own advertising purposes. Not a fan. Anyway, you can see that weird spot. So I'm gonna get to sanding and see where we're at, see what's going on, because I know I'm gonna have to strip that all the way down, fill it a little bit, and then go from there. But that's where we're at today, is fixing this Cadillac. And so once I get rolling and show you what's going on, and am able to better show you what's going on, I'll bring you back. So there you go. Bring her right back when I get this thing stripped down and see what we're working with. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, body work is done. Everything looks great. Everything's pretty much prepped. I got to do one more isopropyl alcohol wipe down, and then blend that area, and then re-clear coat that whole section, and she'll be good to go. All right, I'm gonna get on top of that, and I'll bring you back whenever I've got some base coat laid down. When I do the blend, I'll bring you back. All right, the base coat has been blended. Looks awesome. Now I'm about to throw a couple coats of high solids clear on this thing, and she should be good to go. I'll bring you back whenever I got more done. All right, she's all done. Looks awesome. All right, once I get the masking peeled off and pull it outside, I will shoot the grand finale But that repair should last longer than the car, and it looks great to me. I'll bring you back soon. All right, as I told you before, Rapid Ride Rehab has handled some business. Looks great to me. I did not paint the whole thing. I just blended in here where I did the body work. Looks great. 813-846-4406 is my cell. If you need some body or paint work or anything custom done to your auto, boat, RV, or motorcycle, give me a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.